All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover a little bit of what I'm seeing in just the replays alone. So here is the very like second pool of the night. First pool, it's like right after Flame Leviathan. We're not really prepared and whatnot. Uh, all these fights, I've got three logs to show. These are all just after the heart has been killed. And so let's go ahead and get into it. It's gonna be at 2x speed. We have the ads coming in the background, and then we got Birds is the first one with Spark. He's the one that drops it here. Let's watch what he's going to be doing. We can see his target, attack a target. He didn't switch targets yet. The Spark is on melee currently on one of the DKs, and he's just kind of floating in melee right now. Another Spark got dropped off by a Holy Paladin who didn't quite get there in time, which was by Horn. Then Yuffie is over here, dropping it off pretty nice. It drops and goes straight to range because we got a Boomkin AoE going, and he's just chilling here. This Spark I think is dead. He finally comes back, and let's see that one more time. I think there was a taunt that we saw. Yep, we saw one taunt here. So let's go ahead and focus back and see what his target is and stuff. We've got a priest who's pretty far back up here. It's just myself. But I dropped it here and it went towards melee, and he was able to get a quick taunt. And yeah, so we are standing a little bit far away. We can be a little bit closer, and we'll double check the range on it. But yeah, for the most part, he taunted a Spark that had just died, and luckily the other one was already on him. Here's another Spark going off, and now it's going to be on Yuffie. And Melee's having to run over, taking more damage standing next to Yuffie. And it's now going over to Melee. Melee's having to spread out around, trying to kill all the Sparks. We had another one here. I think I just missed that. Yeah, he may have gotten a taunt on that Spark that dropped off of Yuffie, because there was a Spark on Yuffie, so he just got the new one. Another one just dropped. Doesn't look like the Spark, he didn't taunt it. It just from his passive cleave. So let's see the next one here. He's going to taunt one that was already on him. And there's still a fresh one in melee currently, as we can see right here. So that's enough of this pool. Let's look at the next pool. So we're wipe number 3. Let's go ahead and watch this a little bit here. So we're going to get the first Spark going out. It's on Big Critties. We're going to see where it goes from there. It shoots off directly from him and goes right out. So maybe Critties could have been a little bit closer, something. We've got another Spark. Should be coming out now. Here it is. So he ran out. He's a little far back. He dies. So the Spark, I think, dies with him, which is kind of nice. Critties then gets life. Oh, there was a gravity bomb. Oh, lovely. So these pugs just kind of screw things up, and it causes panic. And whenever that panic starts to happen, things just fall apart really quick. It's like melee's out and ranged. People are trying to get it's a mess out there. Sparks are just way all over the place. So let's go ahead and look at the last video, or like the last log. This is a top 100 DPS. I just pulled a random log from, going to raid here, pick a ranking, and I just sorted by top 100. So these guys are, speedrun strat, whatever. But look how clean this is. They have a heart. We already finished heart. DK is going to get it first. It's going to move to the side. Not very far. Another DK. I don't know why he followed him, but watch. He bopped the DK here because Tantrum's going out. He taunted that Spark. Tantrum's still going at this point, and just about done with it. But yeah, what is happening there? Replays are kind of finicky. Priest out here. It's going to drop, and the tank is ready to taunt, probably. Boom, taunt. He swapped target really quick. Taunt, and it's already over. So here we go again. We got another Spark dropped. Taunt. Because taunt is only a 6-second cooldown. It's not that bad. And the Paladin is not even having to, go far. And, it says it's a melee range. I'm so far zoomed in that, they're damn near, in melee range. So you can kind of just see how clean some of this stuff is. Like, even if it gets towards melee, it's like, oh, just a quick taunt. And so, yeah, like every single time a new spark is up, the tank needs to be focusing it and needs to be, you know, taunting it. And it's just, I know there's a lot of things going on, but as a tank, you're standing here. Your one job is to deal with sparks. If there's a gravity bomb or if there's a light somewhere else, that's not your job. Your job is to follow where the light goes and then just make sure that you get that taunt off. But yeah, that's pretty much it.